In front of me is an ID2ME ID1, and I'll show you how to access the safe mode. So to do it, we'll actually hold the power key till we see the options, and now hold power off instead of tapping it. And as you can see, this message will appear, reboot to safe mode, confirm it. So tap on OK and wait for the device to reboot. And once it turns back on, it will be in safe mode. So give it a moment. And as you can see now, on the bottom of the screen you have the message safe mode, meaning that the device is indeed in safe mode. And if you like to leave this mode, you can just do almost the same thing, but instead of holding the power off, just tap on reboot, confirm it. And once the device reboots, it will be back into the normal mode. And as you can see, that message is gone and the device is back into normal mode. So this is how you access safe mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.